Um, okay, so, hello, my name is Kenya Kenyanso, and this is my partner's name is
Ian Hall.
We are from Alexander Graham Bell, team name Junior Varsity 2 and team number 063. And this is our helicopter for the 2025 Archimedean Invitationals. This one. Okay. Here are the materials we will be using. So here are our materials. We have a crank. We have the crank thing. We have rubber bands. And we have our helicopter. And we have a scale and something to hold on to the scale. Okay. We have here we have a 10-minute timing period for testing. Here, I'm gonna start it. Okay. People timing. Okay. So now we're going to weigh our helicopter. It's on 4.47 grams. It's not touching anything, as you see. The helicopter weighs at least 4 grams. Okay, and then here we have the rubber bands we will be using for our flight right here. And then next we'll show that our measurement box is within construction parameters. It must be within a prism of 32 centimeters by 27 centimeters and 47 centimeters. So here, this is 47 centimeters. That's good. And then height, can I have the box, please? Put the box on. Did I put this on wrong? I did put it on wrong. Oh, right. Okay, there you go. Okay. So we show this is 47 centimeters. Then here it's this is 32 centimeters, and then here 27 centimeters. So a little shorter than 27 centimeters tall. And then we can see that our helicopter will fully fit, when fully constructed, will fit fully into the box. As you can see, it's completely inside, with no parts of the helicopter sticking out. Next, we'll show you the ceiling height is no taller than 20 feet. Just look up. It's not taller than 20 feet. Okay, so do I just stop there? Do I read this? Okay. Okay, now we're gonna start our testing time. Good. Timer. 3, 2, 1. Start. Here. Ian, you hold the helicopter. Hold the bottom part too. Nice. Move it. Okay, it's on. Hold this. Here you go.
Have you guys signed
Like
into your test and gotten your secret word?
No, we have not. Yeah, can you hold it? Hold the order. Wait, Miss Goldberg. Miss Goldberg, I wasn't added to helicopter. I wasn't added to helicopter.
And we don't have a secret word today.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay,
Let's go ahead.
We got a time of 10.75 seconds.
We have time. Yeah.
This is our second real flight. .32.44 seconds. I am happy with that time.